Apex News, India, Northeast.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं सानिया और आपकी स्वागत करती हूं अपेक्स इंडिया न्यूज में। चलिए नजर डालते हैं इस वक्त की हेडलाइंस पर।
यूडीपी में आंतरिक मतभेद पर पॉल लिंगदोह का बयान। यूडीपी विधायक पॉल लिंगदोह ने पार्टी में आंतरिक मतभेद की खबरों को खारिज करते हुए कहा कि इस तरह की हलचल किसी भी संगठन का सामान्य हिस्सा होती है। उनका ये बयान पार्टी अध्यक्ष मेटबाल लिंगदोह के साथ रिश्तों में तनाव की खबरों के बीच आया है। उन्होंने 2028 चुनाव से पहले संभावित राजनीतिक बदलावों की ओर भी इशारा किया। Rapsang and Gemino Mautho likely to join BJP.
I would not know if these are confirmed names entering the BJP, but towards the end of each term, there will always be instances of leaders moving out and moving in from political party to political party. On the whole, I would say that no political party can be taken for granted, and yes, I do acknowledge that the entry of, say for instance, names of former General Secretary of the UDP, certainly this could impact positively in favor of the BJP.
Are there any rumblings within the UDP or everything has been settled?
See, rumblings are part of every association. Whenever we talk of even school committees, there will always be dissensions, rumblings of discontent. I think it's a very natural part of human existence. But as far as I am concerned, all I can say is that the electorate will be the best judge, and they would make a conscious decision as to who should head and lead the next government 2028.
Just one last question. You had started the idea of relocation of office from police reserve, and even now there
GHADC में गवर्नर रूल की मांग। बीजेपी नेता बर्नर्ड एन मारक के नेतृत्व में एमडीसीज के एक समूह ने GHADC में मौजूदा कार्यकारी समिति का कार्यकाल बढ़ाने के बजाय गवर्नर रूल लागू करने की मांग की। उनका कहना है कि इससे तेजी से सुधार लागू होंगे और जनजातीय हितों की रक्षा होगी।
Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Now the next step is regarding the electoral roll. So in order to review the electoral roll, the committee has already been formed. At the same time, we want that SIR should be implemented in Garo Hills, because especially in the planned areas, because the population rate in the planned areas is rising very high, and it is a threat to the tribal community. But the bona fide citizen of Garo Hills will not be disturbed. But people who have been, like those who have migrated, and those who are from Bangladesh, and some are even dual voters. So those has to be examined. Otherwise, in some constituency, in last 5 years, from 5,000 voters, it has gone to 10,000 or 11,000 voters in last 5 years itself. So it is very high. The population rate is rising very high. So these are issues we have discussed today, and Honorable Governor has taken cognizance of all our points, and we have submitted a memorandum also. And if all the process are completed at a short time, that election be held at the earliest. That is also our prayer, because our term is there till April 18. So after April 18, if these processes are completed, then we requested that election should be held. Yes.
So what was the necessity of extending the house?
I think the state government has taken the initiative to extend the term of the present EC. That can be explained by the state government. In spite of saying that they are not interfering in the matters of district council, but politically it is all being maneuvered by the same political party which is running the state.
So what do you have to say about, we are looking at, what we're seeing is NPP has taken taken the whole benefit of that they are the ones who have initiated about this ST certificate.
Officially I have moved a motion regarding this making ST certificate mandatory in the Autonomous District Council on 27th of November in the session itself. But in spite of I being from BJP, the ruling have not accepted, saying that I am from the opposition. Now, regarding that matter also we have discussed. In district council there is no provision for opposition. There is no provision. But in spite of that, last 5 years we have been kept in opposition and we have been deprived of so many facilities that we were supposed to give to the people. So that matter has been taken up, and our honorable governor has taken serious note of it. Because this is not a discrimination to an elected member, but also a discrimination to the people who have elected a member. Yes, that's why. Yes, I have brought this bill, like motion, to make the ST certificate mandatory in the district council on 27th of November last year, but it was not accepted. Later, the executive committee has passed a notification which was passed by the honorable court, and this time it was presented in the house again, and the bill was presented and it was passed within a day, and it was notified. Governor has actually assented to it within 1 day itself. So 23rd the bill was presented and it was passed, and 24th it was assented. Now, if somebody is taking credit for it, that is not our issue, because the people from Garo Hills, I think even from Khasi Hills knows who has brought this bill, and it is the MDCs who have passed, not the state government or not any political party. It is the whole party has joined hands for this bill.
But don't you think there is a lack of clarity in this ST amendment bill?
भारत ने पड़ोसी देशों को ईंधन आपूर्ति। भारत ने श्रीलंका को 38,000 मीट्रिक टन ईंधन और बांग्लादेश को 15,000 टन डीजल की आपूर्ति की है। अप्रैल में और आपूर्ति की योजना है।
That domestic energy requirements are fully met, the development highlights India's growing role in supporting regional energy stability.
ईरान में बड़ा विस्फोट। इस्फहान, ईरान में एक बड़े विस्फोट की खबर है। बताया जा रहा है कि ये हमला परमाणु और यूरेनियम संवर्धन केंद्र को निशाना बनाकर किया गया। एयर स्ट्राइक बाय यूएस एंड इजरायली फोर्सेस। लॉस एंजलिस में हिंसक प्रदर्शन। लॉस एंजलिस में नो किंग्स विरोध प्रदर्शन हिंसक हो गया। प्रदर्शनकारियों और पुलिस के बीच झड़प में 75 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया। People were arrested after attacks on officers with stones and bottles. नेपाल में शिक्षा सुधार। नेपाल सरकार ने बड़े शिक्षा सुधारों की घोषणा की है, जिसमें कोचिंग सेंटर बंद करना, छात्र राजनीति पर रोक और स्कूलों को नेपाली पहचान देना शामिल है। Identity for schools. Students can now enroll in colleges without citizenship certificates.
National institutions. In another significant move, students will now be allowed to enroll in bachelor's programs without requiring a citizenship certificate, while schools with foreign names will be asked to adopt a Nepali identity.
ईरान पर बड़े पैमाने पर एयर स्ट्राइक। ईरान द्वारा सऊदी अरब में अमेरिकी ठिकाने को निशाना बनाने की कोशिश के बाद अमेरिका और इजरायल ने 70 से अधिक लड़ाकू विमानों के साथ बड़े हमले किए। फाइटर जेट्स ट्रिगरिंग मल्टीपल एक्सप्लोजन्स। पाकिस्तान में गैस पाइपलाइन विस्फोट। पाकिस्तान के बलूचिस्तान में SSGC गैस पाइपलाइन को उड़ा दिया गया, जिससे आग लग गई और गैस आपूर्ति बाधित हो गई। पार्ट्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान। रघुवंशी परिवार में खुशी का माहौल। राजा रघुवंशी के परिवार में एक बच्चे का जन्म हुआ है। परिवार ने नवजात का नाम राजा रखा है, जिसे वे भावनात्मक वापसी मान रहे हैं। An emotional return of their lost member.
विपिन जी, आपके जो घर में आज जो खुशी है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
देखिए, आज हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि हमारे घर में राजा जो है उसका पुण्य जन्म हुआ है और उससे बहुत खुश है सुंदर, क्योंकि राजा की जब मौत हुई थी उस दिन 11 थी और कल जब राजा पैदा हुआ है कल भी 11 थी। और जब राजा को मारा गया था ना, जब भी अपने राजा के जब प्राण निकले थे उस टाइम पे, तो उस हिसाब से जो उसमें 2:42 का समय आया था उसके अंदर। और आज दूसरा दिन हो गया राजा को पैदा हुए और कल जब राजा पैदा हुआ था तो कल 11 थी और कल 2:42 राजा पैदा हुआ था। और उसमें राजा की जो कुंडली है वो कुंडली और जो बच्चा हुआ कल उसकी कुंडली, दोनों कुंडली सेम तरह निकली है। तो हम लोग खुशी से साथ करते हैं।
मेघालय में ई-राइज योजना शुरू। कॉनराड के संगमा के नेतृत्व में मेघालय सरकार ने 4.61 करोड़ रुपए की ई-राइज योजना शुरू की, जिसका उद्देश्य एरी सिल्क किसानों की आय बढ़ाना है। कॉनराड के संगमा highlighted rapid implementation of public demands.
Bhoi district, and on behalf of UMSNING, I welcome you all to today's program. Honorable dignitaries, distinguished guests, and members of the assembly, receiving a jacket which is made locally by a local beneficiary who goes by the name of Kompayal Kunden. Asna locally the ibe inongshna nong than jong kaniga than hi ikong payal kumdet subha maya thap ti lam ta jong i but I see
So when she says that, then this record, you ask no, then before this hand, how much now? Next one, go what time till like tea, kat no gram la. Kana. Apo iskuwa. Din gram holding. Yung trang malaki ni machine kat no gram. Chikilo. Even to 1,000 gram. 1 kilo. Almost 4 times. Chua, chikuwa, mata chikilo. Wala ka ning machine. Iniiwa yung usayo. It can be. It can be.
NEGC 2026 का समापन। 8वां नॉर्थ ईस्ट ग्रेजुएट कांग्रेस 2026 सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुआ, जिसमें हजारों छात्रों ने भाग लिया. Of students. The event celebrated youth, education, culture and sports across the Northeast.
कभी ना कभी तो मिलोगे कहीं पे हमको यकीन है, कभी ना कभी तो मिलोगे कहीं पे हमको यकीन है, ओ कभी ना कभी तो मिलोगे कहीं पे हमको यकीन है, कभी ना कभी तो मिलोगे कहीं पे हमको.
Love you guys. Have a great night. Bye bye.
क्यूलिनरी कैस्केड फेस्टिवल का समापन. क्यूलिनरी कैस्केड फेस्टिवल का आयोजन वार्ड्स लेक में संपन्न हुआ, जिसमें करीब 4000 लोगों ने हिस्सा लिया. शिलांग में नए स्कूल भवन का उद्घाटन. पॉल लिंग दोह ने शिलांग में मेघालय हिंदू मिशन में नए स्कूल भवन का उद्घाटन किया, जिससे शिक्षा ढांचे को मजबूती मिलेगी. Education aims to strengthen learning infrastructure.
स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वेदस्रवाः स्वस्ति न विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु वन्दे देव उमापतिं सुरगुरुं वन्दे जगत्कारणं वन्दे पन्नगभूषणं मृगधरं वन्दे पशूनां पतिं वन्दे सूर्यशशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियम्.
The nobler act would be to light the lamp, and we have done just that. And I believe that this light will continue to infuse and influence this new initiative as we go from strength to strength.
Singhania, I am the chairman of Shillong Roundtable 252. It is a chapter of Roundtable India, and the motto for our organization is freedom through education. We built approximately one classroom per day every year, and we're doing this from past many years, and we feel that education is one of the most important thing for the future of our country. So we will keep this initiative running as much as we can.
So, since you said that it will be continuing till when, like, the classes have been started. For right now, you have introduced class 9.
No, ma'am, we've made a 9 classroom block here currently, which has been inaugurated today. And in future, ma'am, it is not only that we will do in this school only, ma'am. Before this, we have done FT project, means the classroom blocks in Mohan Masar School at Moprem as well. So every year, if the same school needs any help, then we do it in this school. If suppose the school has become self-sufficient, like Mohan Masar school has sufficient infrastructure and classes now. It took us 3 years to build that school. So that is over. Now we are here. Once Hindu Mission School will be complete, then we will look for new opportunities, new schools where infrastructure is an issue, and we would go there.
So this school run free of cost.
Sir, from Roundtable India, our scope of work, what we do is we build the infrastructure. We do not interfere at all in the administration. The management and the infrastructure belongs to the school, so they take care of these schools. And the schools we build has a very minimal fees, or it has no fees. Basically, we work with only government aided schools. We don't work with private schools.
As for how many schools like this you already?
Sir, in Shillong, this is the second school. As I told you, Mohan Masar school was our first project. It took us 3 years. In 3 phases, we completed that school. So this is the first phase of this school that we started. Hopefully next year, if God permits, everything is in streamlined, we will have a second phase in this school as well.
So is there any difficulties or challenges that you guys face regarding?
Ma'am, I think it is the God's grace that we didn't face any such difficulties. The locality, the area, the local MLA, everyone was very cooperative. We had many generous donors who came forward themselves and donated for the cause. Thank you so much.
अमेरिका में ट्रंप विरोधी प्रदर्शन। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के न्यूयॉर्क, वॉशिंगटन और शिकागो सहित कई शहरों में लाखों लोगों ने प्रदर्शन किया। Washington and Chicago demanding an end to wars and rejecting extremist ideologies.
Look at this. Millions of people across the country marching as we speak against the policies of President Trump. This is Boston. Look at that.
Just like his team. Just coming. I mean.
That's all for today. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Apex News, India, Northeast.